but you don't want to go in there too crooked and you end up sideways like the other one. That's the same.
That is unbelievable.